Greetings MBA Hope Church. I thank God for giving me this opportunity. And I thank the pastors of MBA Israel also for Chicago for giving me this opportunity. As God has helped us to enter into this new year. So let's take this moment to thank and praise our God. So I just want to sing one song. It's not just a song, but it's also my prayer for each and every one of you. May the Lord bless us each and every day of this year and may He be with us. So let's sing this song prayerfully, and let's praise our God. Lord bless you and keep you. I'll make His face shine upon you, be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face towards you and give you peace. యెహోవా దీవించి కాపాడునుగాక, తన సన్నిధి కాంతితో నిన్ను కరుణించునుగాక, నీ వైపు తన ముఖమును చూపి శాంతినిచ్చునుగాక. His favor be upon you for 1,000 generations, and your family, and the children, and the children, and the children. May His favor be upon you for 1,000 generations, and your family, and the children, and the children, and the children. May His presence go before you and beside you and behind you, all around you and within you. He is with you, He is with you in the morning, in the evening, when you're coming and you're going, and you're weeping, we're rejoicing. He is for you, 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 He is for you. Amen. Amen. దంచాలి నీ పైన 1000 తరములు ఉండుగాక, నీ వంశం సంతానం వారి పిల్లలు నీ ముందు నీ వెనుక నీ చుట్టూ నీ ప్రక్కన నీతోను తన సన్నిధి ఉండుగాక. ఉదయాన సాయంత్రం నీ రాక మోకలలో కన్నీటిలో సంతోషంలో నీ పక్షం నీతో Amen. 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 Amen.